I'm going to be replacing injectors in the Miata today. Also going to button up a few things with the interior. I ordered new injectors for the Miata. Well, I say new, but they're used. The price difference was like $300 difference between new or refurbished new and like $60 for ones from a run and drive and wrecked Miata. So I went with the $60 ones. Also going to button up a few things on the interior of the Miata, but let's get started. So as you can see, the interior of this car cleaned up pretty decently. There's a disgusting smell in this thing too. It smells like a 35-year-old car that's been smoked in every single day. But there's nothing we can't fix. So I got my new injectors in. Oh, kind of disappointed because they look just visually 10 times worse than the other injectors. But I guess I won't know until I throw them in, so I'm going to do that now. Old injectors out. Time for the new. Put those new injectors in. The Miata runs about the same. It might idle slightly better. No, it doesn't. But you can see once it gets up in RPMs, I mean, it runs really good. So I think all the injectors are cleaned out and good. I think my next trial will probably be plugs. I'm not sure if that'll do anything, but it's worth a try. It's possible it could be an AFM or IAC sensor, but we're gonna try it out. So got some plugs in those new injectors in the Miata, and it didn't help it any. So I thought, all right, everything fuel system's been replaced. It's getting good spark. Let me try without the AFM plugged in, which is common on these cars. And as you can see, it idles pretty perfect, which is nice. AFM unplugs, throwing that check engine light. Then when you give it gas, it dies. So this car needs the most expensive sensor for these things, which is the AFM. But 20 steps ahead of where I was when I bought this thing, so excited.